Hello and welcome. I'm Jasmine, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson about personal protective equipment, specifically medical gloves during a pandemic. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Many industries require the use of medical or disposable gloves to help protect employees while they work with certain substances or patients. During a pandemic, there is an increased demand from industries that normally use these gloves, as well as from businesses or people who don't normally need them but are taking extra precautions. This lesson will cover the types of gloves available, the importance of glove size, and how to put on and take off gloves. Now that we have gone over the types of gloves available and the importance of proper glove size, you need to learn how to put on and take off gloves in a way that will protect you from contamination. Please note that procedures may differ between companies, but in general, when putting on gloves, you should remove jewelry and anything else that could possibly tear the glove. Wash your hands with soap and water. If soap and water are unavailable, use a hand sanitizer with 60% alcohol. Carefully remove the gloves from their packaging. After removing the gloves, glove your dominant hand by using your non-dominant hand to pick up the glove by the inside of the cuff, then slide it on. Then glove your non-dominant hand and adjust the glove if necessary. After you are finished with your task, taking the gloves off properly is critical. Generally, to help protect you against contact with contaminants, you'll deglove by first pinching the outside of the glove about an inch or two down from the cuff's edge. Pull the glove away until it is removed from the hand, holding the inside-out glove in a ball with the gloved hand. With your gloveless hand, slide your fingers under the cuff of the glove. Make sure you do not touch the outside surface of the glove. Repeat the downward motion while turning the glove inside out. And finally, properly dispose of the gloves. It should also be noted that after degloving, you should wash or sanitize your hands.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.